Hi there, my name is Askari. So continuing our SDL series. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can display image on the screen. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go here and choose show all files. So this way you can see all the hidden files and this will be much convenient for you. After that go into your game project and here create a new folder. Name this folder of your liking and simply paste this image. So now when you refresh here you can see this image and this 6.png is showing up. After that you have to go into your game loop and add texture manager. So I have added texture manager, then we have to create a texture of our player. That will be our bird. Let's go into the CPP file and here I will use the texture manager function which we created in the last episode. For files I will write image slash 6.png. Also you can download this file from my GitHub, this image rather, and you have to pass renderer, and that's it. Our player texture is completed. To present this on the screen we have to simply write a function named render copy. You have to note the order that we have to first clear, then copy and then present. If you clear and then present then copy, this will present nothing on the screen. So we will pass in renderer and the second input is our player, that is texture. For these two are the dimension. First is the source dimension and the second is destination direction dimension. So we will put both of these null for now, and as you can see when I will press run, the image should be on the screen. So as you can see the image is on the screen, but it is not what we expected, right? We expected a nice little bird. So hopefully we can resize it in SDL, and I will show how you can use that by changing these source and destination dimensions, and I will show that in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Peace.